In this video, I'm about to show you how to register a newborn baby's birth certificate in Manitoba, Canada. First, complete the registration of birth form provided by the hospital or healthcare provider. Then submit the form to the hospital staff or directly to the Manitoba Vital Statistic branch of home births. Wait for processing, which may take several weeks for the birth registration to be completed. Next, apply for the birth certificate online by mail or in person at Service Manitoba Center. Pay the birth certificate application fee, which is $30. Then, use the registration form to apply for the child's social insurance number and Canada Child Benefits. Delayed registration can be done for children over 1 year old with an additional fee. Contact the Manitoba Vital Statistics branch at 204-945-3701 or 1-866-949-9296 for inquiries. Now receive the birth certificate after processing, which can take several weeks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.